Hello, Happy New Year! We are at the Grand Wailea in Maui, and we will give you a tour of this room. So on this side, we have the closet. And then on this door, it doesn't open all the way, it just opens to there. There's a stopper. This is where you can find your ironing board, your robes, and then you also have your safe in here. The safe is kind of weird because the door opens towards you, so you kind of have to do this weird thing to put your stuff in there. That's all good. On top, you also have bedding for a couch bed that I will show you later. All right, so what's over here? So this is on the right-hand side of the room. Let's see, could this be another closet? Wow, it's, oops, a bathroom. I don't know if I break the door. So let's head in. Have a nice walk-in shower. The shower's pretty nice. Has a handheld shower nozzle. And the amenities are not bolted to the wall. So it's kind of nice because you get to be more comfortable. You can move them around if they're not in the right place that you need them, which is very cool. And then over on the right hand side, still here is a tub, pretty big tub. And let's trail the room. Here is a sink area, nice vanity area. And trailing the room, here's some towels. And then we have a water closet with a toilet, so you could do your business in private. Very nice. And then we'll venture out here. On the right hand side, we have this little coffee station. So it has the espresso pods, the coffee maker. The ice bucket is also found here with some cups. And down below here, let me move out of the way, is where you can find your mini fridge. And then when you first check in, it gives you these two water bottles. They're nice water bottles, and they can be refilled. There's refilling stations all around the property, which is pretty cool. All right, and then let's head on more forward into the main part of the room. And on this wall, on the right-hand side, there's a thermostat, light switch, and then this can control the ceiling fan in different intervals, which is pretty cool if you need the ceiling fan to be on. And let's head on to the left-hand side. Here is the TV, pretty nice TV with really deep drawers. Oops, if I don't break them. Very, very deep drawers. And then we have a little sitting area, venturing towards this left here. So table, round table, which is pretty nice. Right across from that sitting area is another sitting area with a couch. And this is the couch that you can pull another bed out from, which is very, very nice if you have multiple people staying with you. And then this is your bed. This is the big king size bed, really comfortable, and nightstands on each side. And it's amazing because these nightstands are actually everywhere in this room. There's a lot of outlets, so you're gonna be able to plug in everything that you need to, which is very cool. And then, last but not least, let's look at the view. So I'm gonna pull this out, and then the AC will turn off when I turn this, open this. Let's head out to the sitting area. If I don't run into stuff. It's a pretty nice view. See the pool, a little bit of the garden, partial ocean view. Sit here. Sounds so cool. So I booked this for New Year's Day and New Year's Eve for 3 nights. I was able to use my Hilton free night certificates that come with the Hilton Aspire card. Very, 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 very good value when you can use it on a room here at the Grand Wailea. So I would highly suggest checking this property out. I will definitely be back and hope to see you on the next one, and let me know in the comments if you would ever stay here.